Ang aga. Aga namin nagising. Ay, si Kinsley.
How can asawa mean the same thing?
I don't know. Asawa is like...
Who came up with your language?
Oh my gosh. Don't blame me! Good morning guys. Nagising kami ng alas 5. And ito na ang labas namin. Normally, hindi talaga dito nag-i-snow guys. Bihira mag-snow dito. So ngayon nag-snow dahil nga merong ano daw. Medyo madulas. Oh my gosh. Si Kinsey, kailangan niya mag-ihi, magtai. Hindi pa siya nakakatai, guys. O, sige lang siya ganyan, upo. Yan si Travis.
Enough.
Ha?
The roof is covered with snow.
Let me see. Ang aga. Aga namin nagising. Ay, si Kinsley. Kita kasi. Did she pee? Oh yeah, tignan niyo yung ano, bubong. Hindi masyado makita. Ayan, puro snow.
It's such a road.
Tignan natin yung ano, sasakyan. Oh, tignan mo, Kinsley.
The road is probably warm.
Di pa talaga ako babangon eh, kaya may pasok ako eh. At matulog pa ako eh. Gusto ko rin sama ni Travis para dodalo kami magpatai kay Kinsley. Ayan, ala. Dahan lang tayo kaya baka madulas tayo. Hindi siya masyadong malala. Pero, alam nyo na, hindi kami sanay dito sa Virginia. Sa Michigan, makapalang snow. Ayan ang itsura ng bubong
You're not leaving for
namin.
2 hours? This will probably all be melted in 2
yeah.
hours.
I hope. Okay, tignan natin si Kinsley. Oh, lamig.
Okay, oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you playing in
Did she pee?
Not yet.
Come on. May camping pa naman kami guys this weekend. And sabi nila, sure daw sila baka mag-snow doon. Wala, naglaro na. Kinsley! You need to go. I still have an hour to sleep.
Come on, go party.
Bilisan mo.
Party. Go party. Okay guys, after we're done out in the snowy rain, we have to wipe her down because otherwise she'll get, the floor all dirty. Okay, good girl. She's sitting down because her bum hurts. It really looks a lot better though. We're gonna wipe it real quick and then put some spray on it.
Good girl, baby ko ah. Good girl naman yan. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, it should be fine.
Alright,
Just gonna stay there.
you're fine.
Pumalik kami sa higaan, guys. Hindi ko alam kung makakatulog ulit ako. Ang hirap makatulog pag galing ka sa pag nagising ka tapos tutulog ka. Meron pa kami isang oras para matulog. Kasi maya-maya may pasok ako. Ang hirap makatulog. Tas panaisipa din yung baby ko. Mga midnight, dun siya madalas nagsisipa. Tapos, bago ako matulog, dun siya nagsisipa talaga. Kaya minsan, ka talaga. Kasi nga, yung mararamdaman mo talaga yung kamay niya. Pag umaano siya, yung parang yung gumagano sa tiyan mo, mararamdaman mo talaga. Kasi nga, minsan dito pa siya sa may bandang ribs ko, yung paa niya. Tapos yung ulo niya, dun sa bandang, alam mo yun, sa bandang dito mo, sa may malapit sa ano mo, sa sa tagiliran, 'di ba? Kaya mararamdaman mo talaga yung ano, minsan mapapaganon ka. Hindi siya super sakit, pero minsan uncomfortable siya kapag ka matutulog ka, ganun. Pero buti meron ako ditong ano sa likod, yung Bapi. Nakatulong talaga siya. So maganda siyang pang ano sa buntis. Meron kasing iba na mayroon sila yung malaking unan. Unan ba yun? Yung pillow para sa buntis. Pero sabi ni Ate Jen, yung pumunta dito, sabi niya, hindi niya daw nagamit yung ganun niya. Tapos nagtingin din kami ng mga ibang reviews ng ibang mga buntis, ganun. Mas maganda daw yung ganito lang kasi maliit lang. Tapos ano talaga siya, yung masupport talaga yung back mo. Pero may iba talaga na gusto pa rin nila yung malaki kasi nga, mas comfy daw sila. Depende din talaga sa tao, no? Depende sa buntis kung saan sila mas komportable. So yun, matutulog muna kami ulit, guys. And nag-i-snow pa rin sa labas. Sana wala na siya pag mag-drive ako mamaya. Pag lumala siya, baka i-drive niya daw ako. Pero pag hindi siya malala, kaya ko naman mag-drive kasi all-wheel drive naman yung ano, si RV. So yun, we'll see you later.
A few moments later.
Good morning, guys. Nagising ulit kami kasi nga may pasok ako. Grabe pa yung ilong ko nalaki, no? It's like my nose is getting big, babe.
No. It just looks like the baby's nose.
Look. No, it feels like it's getting big.
It's the
Look at
baby.
this.
Yeah. You gave that to our baby.
Look.
You gave that to our baby.
No. Ayan siya, guys. Kaya maliwanag sa labas, pero alas 6 pa lang talaga. Ooh, I'm so excited to drive. Let's see. First time ko mag-drive ngayon ng ano, pero hindi naman siya super snow. At saka yung road, hindi siya masyadong, ano tawag niyan, hindi siya masyadong slippery. It's not like slippery like last night, babe.
No. I mean, there's a little bit of slush, but not.
Yeah, but
not
I have
really
all-wheel
anything.
drive. So, it's fine. So, yung i-drive ko kasi, guys, yung CRV. So, yun kasi talaga yung ginagamit ko. And all-wheel drive siya, no? Dinrive namin siya sa Michigan, kung saan mas malala yung snow dito. Dito kasi, bihira lang talaga mag-snow dito.
Sure.
It's not every winter na nag-snow dito. Yeah, it's not. So, bihira. Kaya, parang very, very rare siya. Kaya, minsan dito, madami talaga hindi marunong mag-drive nga. Kasi nga, tawag niyan, hindi sila sanay. 'Di ba? Hindi sila sanay. Di tulad ni Travis na sanay na mag-drive. Kasi nga, taga Michigan siya. Tapos, every time na pupunta kami doon, lagi nag-i-snow. So, minsan makapal yung snow pag aalis kami galing sa Michigan. So, yung CRV naman, na-handle niya naman talaga ng, Kinsley, oy!
Wyatt.
Na-handle niya talaga ng, ng ayos yung snow. Kinakapag-drive ng ayos. Is that my coffee bag?
Knock it off.
Babe?
Yeah. You knock it off.
May nag-anuhan ako ni Travis ng coffee. Mag-ano ako, babe? Mag-bread. Magkain tayo, guys. So, Saturday ngayon may pasok ako. Saturday, Sunday, pumapasok talaga ako. Kasi may mga katrabaho ako ng... Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you love pandesal.
Yeah, because I made it.
No, I made it. You just roll it.
That's a big part of it.
One more.
Well, you're just gonna eat all of it?
I want the big one.
No, I want...
Because I'm gonna put the butter.
I want the
peanut
big
butter.
one. I want the big one.
Daming alam.
I'm bigger than you.
Look. Daming alam. Did you get my key there? Aray. Where's my key, babe?
Right there. On the other. You're fine, Wyatt.
Magkain muna ako, guys. And kailangan ko pala ng pagkain. Kasi nga, hanggang hapon ako sa work. I need food, babe. I don't know what I'm gonna bring. I think I have... Nakita ko sa inyo na yung binili
Let's
ko.
see, what kind of food? You got rice you can bring. You got cabbage.
Meron akong bulalo. I'll do the bulalo.
Just bring some cabbage.
Ano, cabbage?
Yeah, put a little soy sauce on it.
Look.
Good to go.
Ano yung hamster lang? Hamster. Tapos meron akong dewberry. Binili namin sa Asian ano. Babe, I really wanna try this. This chocolate.
No.
Gusto ko i-try ito.
Did you?
What? Gusto ko i-try ito, guys. Try natin isa lang. Di man
Did you
ako...
charge your iPad?
Oh, my AirPods. I need to charge my... It's in the pocket.
Where?
In the pocket of my my
Show
bag.
me. Can you show me?
Saway ka.
Ano? Can you show me that? Show me that.
And then, what am I gonna bring, babe? Because... Mahirap kasi minsan pag pag
You
hanggang
don't-
hapon.
Oh, you don't need to bring. Okay.
I'm not gonna bring chocolate.
Okay.
I just want to try the one. I
Well,
just
You
want.
have.
Should I bring
You have
chips?
plenty of soy sauce.
Ano soy sauce? What are you talking about?
Well, babe, you're Filipino. You like soy sauce.
Oh, we should make this.
Yeah, that's not gonna cook in time.
Yeah,
Here's
later.
you want some chili with soy sauce?
Ew, no.
Okay. You can bring that noodle too.
No, I'm gonna eat noodles in one day.
I don't know. What other kind of things you got there to eat? You're gonna have to just buy food.
Yeah, I have to buy food just in case. But sometimes, once I eat, it doesn't make me hungry anymore until afternoon.
You get hungry immediately.
No, sometimes I don't.
There's chicken in there.
Nah, I'll just bring bread again. So, yun. Kasi hindi kami nakapagluto kagabi, guys. Ang asawa ko... Travis didn't cook yesterday. What are you gonna cook today, babe? Kasi may pasok. Naglinis kasi ako kahapon. Tapos meron pang tinola kahapon na kinain namin kagabi. Ha?
Are we playing a game?
Anong game?
Are we playing a game? How many lights can Jessa leave on?
Pa.
Is that a game?
Nye. Kahapon kasi may tinola. Inubos rin niya ang tinola. Kinain ko rin ng tinola. So, yun. Gusto niya yung pandesal, oh.
Oh.
You love the pandesal, huh? Try the peanut butter. Lagyan natin ng peanut butter ang pandesal. Try natin. Testing natin, guys. Masarap. Masarap naman yun. Try it. Try the peanut butter with
I don't have anything to spread it.
Can you wait? Please?
Well, can you stop asking until you give me the
Can you
tools that I
say,
need?
please?
Can you give me the tools that I need to complete the assignment?
No, can you say
Thank
please,
you.
babe? No, please, babe.
Thank you.
Ala. Can you say please, babe?
Can I have the tools to complete the assignment?
Ano ba? Sabi mo muna, please, babe.
Salamat po.
No, can you say please, babe?
Kumusta ka?
Isa naman, I'm not gonna give this to you.
Salaman.
Salaman. Dali, can you say please, babe?
Can you please give me the tools that you want me
Okay,
to have to complete the
please.
assignment? Thanks.
Ayaw ko sa'yo. Dami mong alam. And, kailangan ko magbaon ng aking prenatal. Umiinom din pala ako ng fish oil. Ang inaano ko ay fish oil at saka ang aking prenatal. Wait lang. Nilalagay ko lang siya dito sa may tissue. Kasi minsan kailangan ko din ng tissue. Naglamon na si Gi, kain! Kain! Masarap?
Very good.
Sarap?
Sarap po.
Masarap nga. You like it? Ang gulo ng bahay pag si Travis talaga nandito. Our house is really messy, baby.
Babe,
Ha?
how do you say wife in Tagalog?
Asawa ko.
What?
Asawa ko.
Why is there so many words for one?
Asawa!
Asawa.
Because you can also say that to your, like, if you want to call your husband in Tagalog, like, asawa. But most of us, like, call their partners, like, hey, babe, hey, my love. It depends on what they call
How do you
each
say
other.
like?
What?
How do you say hey hottie?
Honey?
Hottie.
Hottie?
So-
Just like that.
Asawa?
No, asawa is, wife or husband.
Oh,
Hottie is like,
how can asawa mean the same thing?
I don't know. Asawa is like,
Who came up with your language?
oh my God. Don't blame me.
I'm blaming you. You speak it.
Asawa. You search it, dali. Maybe I'm wrong. You search it. Wife
Hey,
in
Siri.
Tagalog.
Who came up with the Tagalog language?
No! Search the ano.
The Tagalog language originated from the ancient Tagalog people who lived along the shores of the Philippines.
Ang kulit talaga ni Tabi. Sabi ko,
They're
i-search.
not ancient no more.
La. Sabi ko, i-search mo, ano yung Tagalog ng
Okay.
wife and husband. Maybe I'm wrong.
How to say wife in Tagalog?
Ano asawa?
Asawa.
Oh, see? What about husband? Go search it.
Okay.
Search it.
Husband.
Ayaw maniwala ah. Ayaw mo maniwala.
Asawa.
Oh, see?
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
What?
Asawa. Me asawa baho pa.
Ano mo yung asawa? No, it means you have baho ano?
No. My wife has baho
No.
pa. Yeah, me
no.
asawa.
You just said it.
No.
Don't blame me.
I'm blaming you. It's your butt.
No.
Oh yeah.
No,
you got
it's not me.
you got like Kinsley butt, huh?
No.
Kinsley butt.
Ako pa sinisi. Do we have water there, babe? Nagdala na lang ako ng chopstick. Hindi na ako magdala.
No.
We don't have. Nabasag ko to guys, oh. This is his gift.
Yeah, Christmas
I
present.
dropped this. But I still use it because it's still fine.
I
and
can't
it's
believe
fine.
you're breaking my Christmas gift.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's accidentally. It accidentally happened, babe.
Unless Eliana did it, it's definitely your fault.
No, look. How can she drop this?
I don't know. She maybe kicked you and then released your fingers. She might be telepathic, babe.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait for her to be born.
She's strong.
I feel like I hope she don't get daddy's attitude.
Oh, my professionalism?
Naman makulit sa
She's
bahay.
definitely getting my
Ko po
my
maglagas
attitude.
ang ano ko. Ha?
Definitely my personality.
So mag-breakfast kami guys at ako ay papasok na soon. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye!